Hello everyone, welcome back to my guitar classes. I hope that you enjoyed my previous session. The previous session was based on the song Panida, and like I explained about the construction of the song, where I explained about the intro that was something like, right? So this is called as a sliding, and I just played the 4-3-1-2-3 4-3-1-2-3. That's on the string, holding the E minor, followed by D major, and followed by C major, right? So quickly we have come across the introduction to the guitar. We have given introduction to the individual strings, E, B, G, D, A, E. Then we have given introduction to the individual frets. Then we have come across the finger exercise in the combination of 1, 2, 3, 4. You can practice any combinations, right? Then I have explained you a couple of scales wherein you discover the notes, and that's how you play, like with the help of Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Dha Ni Sa. Then I have come across the chords, that we have done all the major and minor chords. Minor sound gives you deep or emotional sound, right? Major also can give you, but it is very much like, once you practice, you come to know, okay, this is a minor sound. So for example, if I play A minor, right, this gives me some sound like this again. But if I want to play A major, so the sound would be something like, right? Da-da-da. One note, one half note ahead. There is one half note back. Right? So this is the difference between a major and a minor. Yeah, obviously in detail will be I'll be explaining in my classes. So please do join my classes, and thanks to the PiggyRide, which is giving a wonderful opportunity where we can showcase our talent, and we can showcase what exactly we are going to teach. So this Panida song is one of the basic song which I have taken. There would be n number of songs which will be taken up according to the student's choice, and even if they have any particular preferences, we can take up that. So moving ahead, so there are some some chord patterns, for example, E minor goes with, if I have to start the root position as a E minor, the second chord which I can use with it is A minor, then third is D major, fourth is C major, then again come back to E minor. So that is one standard pattern which is there. If suppose the song is minor, if suppose you are just listening, for example, this song, हंसी बन गए नमी बन गए, right? Or you have ए हमनवा मुझे अपना बना दे, right? So over here I have skipped A minor, but the pattern would be either the chords would come E minor, A minor, D major, C major, E minor. Yes, sometimes what happens, like you can use B minor also. Sometimes in the sense it depends upon the song. It's not like so like songs like if I use the capo and have to play, so I'm lowering down the scale. Tum Hi Ho is a song. हम तेरे बिना अब रह नहीं सकते, तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा. So I have used B minor over here. क्या वजूद मेरा, right? So it can be anything, like गुम है किसी के प्यार में, right? इंतहा हो गई इंतजार की, right? नीले नीले अंबर पर, originally I had showed you on the D minor scale, but as I told you, like since it's a minor, it can be on any of the things. Any minor song can be played on any of the minor chord, right? Then you have songs like तू ही मुझको बता दे चाहूँ मैं, right? So let's actually take couple of minor songs. I'll just give you a small introduction to each of them. Like how do you differentiate between a major song and a minor song? So since I have already explained the Panida song, which was based on E minor, today let's take up another song. For example, we have this. I think we can take that song Three Idiots from the movie Three Idiots. Give me some sunshine. Sari umra hum. Or else you can take up Sari umra hum. Originally it is being played like this, C major to G major. But what I do is, like, since I've told you always that I keep on improvising. Sari umra hum, mar mar ke ji rahe. Right? It depends. But over here the improvisation doesn't look good, right? So what I do is, sometimes you have to make sure that if that improvisation doesn't go, leave the song original, right? So in this case, I can use something like this, but if I want to use Sari umra hum mar mar ke jile ek pal to hame jeene do, right? I'm using A minor, but I don't think so there is a requirement of A minor in this, right? So the pattern is going something like C major, G major, C major, G major, F major, G major, right? I was trying that if A minor can bring some change in this, but there's no much difference, so I can ignore that chord A minor, right? So, or else you can always try to improvise. That's what I follow, and because original songs everybody plays. What talent you have it, so that is something is very much important, right? So just try to play. So I'll just take the Give Me Some Sunshine song on the C major scale. So the chords are C major, G major, and F major, or you can hold it like this, right? I've seen people holding like this also, so it depends on you, right? So Sari umra hum, G major, and C major again, mar mar ke ji liye ek pal to hame jeene do, again Sari umra hum mar mar ke ji liye ek pal to hame jeene do, Sari umra hum मर मर के जीने एक पल तो हमें जीने दो ना 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 ना, right? Then बचपन तो गया जवानी भी गई, right? You can take up. So what I'm doing is 1, 2, 3, right? Somewhat like this. So in this, how do you change? So there's a good topic which is called as time signature. Like there is a whole note, half note, quarter note, eighth note, and then 16th note, right? So what exactly all those means, I'll be covering that when you guys join my classes, because it's very much important. Without that, any of the song will not sound as a song. You are playing just for fun is okay, but if you suppose you want to record or something, it has to follow proper timing, right? So it's like kind of if you say 4x4 song, 3x4 song, 2x4 song, or 7x8 song, it depends. So you can go forward बचपन तो गया जवानी भी गई एक पल तो हमें जीने दो बचपन. So that's how I've taken it in an unplugged way. But if I want to take it on the chords, strumming, बचपन तो गया जवानी भी गई एक पल तो हमें जीने दो बचपन तो गया. This is on chord, bar chord. जवानी भी गई एक पल तो जीने दो ना 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 ना. Right? So you can take up anything. So I played on the bar chord, but for me, playing on a normal chord was much more better, because why? It gives me a softness, it gives me a, a feel, right? Compared to that, I played on the bar chord. Bar chord is giving me a sharpness, or like something is missing in the bar chord. So what I do is like I play on a normal. It's individual preference. You can take up anything again, right? So I hope you have enjoyed this particular session of Give Me Some Sunshine song. So if I take another song, there's this good song. मैं कभी बदलाता नहीं, right? Or you can take this song as well from the movie Kabir Singh. दिल का दरिया बह ही गया, right? So all those are major songs. But if I have to teach you up let's say a different song, so on a different pattern basically, you can take up G major. मैं रंग शरबतों का तू मीठे घाट का पानी. What I'm doing is just plucking, but if I want to play in chords, so this song I have chosen is because what I can do is like मैं रंग शरबतों का तू मीठे घाट का पानी, right? So 1 tap, da 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 da. Right? I have just kept on tapping, or you can say slap. 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4. Right? So that's how you can take up. Or so क्यों चलती है पवन, क्यों झूमे है गगन, क्यों मचलता है मन, ना तुम जानो. Like you can change the pattern. That's not a problem. But over here it depends. Right now I used 2 strumming patterns which was sounding little off, so I was not actually liking it. But if you want to play this song itself, so क्यों चलती है पवन, क्यों झूमे है मन, क्यों मचलता है मन, ना तुम जानो ना ना तुम जानो ना. Over here you can use it. Like again, it depends on the choice, as I mentioned. So yes, these are kind of different strumming patterns where you can keep on exploring things. And yeah, so I gave you the introduction about the E minor chord, D major chord, C major chord of that song Panida. Then I took up different song, like one song made based on C major, Dil Ka Darya or Give Me Some Sunshine, right? So the song pattern goes Bachpan to gaya, Jawani bhi gaye. It's almost same, like C major, G major, F major and G major, right? But if you see, as I had explained you, that E minor has a standard pattern, it's said to be a standard pattern. It's like created by us humans. So you can say E minor, A minor, D major, C major, E minor, right? Sometimes of C major also you can use B minor. Like depends on the song whether it's going minor in the mid or it's going major in the mid. It depends on the situation of the song. And secondly, when I had explained you was of the C major, and then we went on the other topic called this Dil Ka Darya song. So I was just giving you some variations, like how you can play. So in C major, if the C major is the root chord, what you can do is you have C major, you have A minor, you have F major, G major, right? Similarly, when you have A major as a starting chord, you can play A major, D major, E major, right? You have ये दूरियां राहों की. I have taken E major on that. After A, I have taken E. दूरियां, right? So sorry about my vocals, but like if you just see ये दूरियां इन राहों की दूरियां दरारा दूरियां हम राहों की दूरियां फराहों सभी दूरियां. So I've taken A major, E major and D major. That's it. Right? So it depends like what exactly. In D major also you can take this combination D major, B minor, G major, A major, then coming back to D major again. So D, B minor, A, G major, A major. So you can shuffle. So these are kind of like standard chord progression where majority of that songs get fixed. But yes, there are a couple of suspended chords, or you can say augmented chords, or maybe diminished, where it depends on the songs, right? It is just this particular is just for the basics. Right, as in when you proceed, as in when you learn more, you get to know more and more things from these things. So I hope you enjoyed this session. I gave you a difference between the all kind of songs. What goes nice, as in like if I have to play C major and then suddenly I play A minor, and some songs that doesn't suit. Right, for example, this Three Idiot song, it was not going nice. Initially, I thought that okay, this will go nice, but it was not going. So yeah. So that's where you have to understand the music pattern. Then we came on to G major progression. G major progression also, like it's very much important. Like you can play G, C, D, right? For A minor, you have A minor as a start position. Then you have G major, F major. You can take up those chords again. G major, right? So I hope you really enjoyed it, and I'm really looking forward that you guys join my classes, learn more, share things, and all thanks to PiggyRide. And I'm really looking forward. Ping me up and learn things from me. Take care. See you. Bye.